Hi there, welcome to High5 Education. Join and excel with us.
Let's talk about idioms. Idiom is an expression that cannot be understood literally. Its meaning must be learned. For example, the assignment was a piece of cake. The idiom being used in the sentence is the phrase piece of cake, and it means that something is easy. Try to analyze another example. In September 2013, United States President Barack Obama stated that he was on the fence about ordering a military strike against Syria. What does the idiom in the text suggest? The president was undecided about the military strike. Try to analyze some more. High five, today was awesome. Let's do it again next time.
Thank you for watching. We truly love you all. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Leave a comment and share it to make it viral. Let's spread learning everywhere.